Nowadays, all the vehicles, they equipped with ADAS. What's ADAS? Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. They participate on keeping you safe. They have, parking assistance sensors. They have cameras. They have a advanced cruise control. And we have to make sure that everything works properly after the repair. That adds the cost on a repair nowadays. It can be anywhere from like $500 to $1,000 in a calibration. After we buy all the parts, we can spend like a few hundred or a few $1,000s in radars, sensors, and cameras. Nowadays, when a repair like this before ADAS, it was $2,000 to $3,000. Now it's $6,000 to $7,000.